Slip in place, what a beautiful shot. And applauded slightly by the Yorkshire faithful. And again, cannot bowl there to him. That's something he has improved with his game. He's offside. Nice, down the ground, but has he got it too straight? Nearly. Nearly. He took an absolute worldie, Wharton, at Old Trafford. Exactly like that. Gets on top of the bounce and he just...
Catch!
In the air, there is a man out there. Shafique is underneath it, takes it comfortably. Tries to go a little bit straighter and maybe a little bit slower from Moriarty, and Yorkshire have their first. Former Derbyshire keeper. That is just brute power and bottom hand to fly it all the way for a maximum. Oh my goodness, not a lot you can do when someone runs down and slower ball. That is maybe in the middle. No, brilliant fielding, not. That is out of the park. That is beautifully played.
Catch it!
In the air, just lands short and goes through. A little bit of width. Outside edge, and this normally runs away up the hill. Full toss in the air, doesn't pick it up.
Shohan.
Catch!
Greeted with a sweet slog, and he might pick up a wicket with his first ball. Simple catch. The big wicket assault. The leggy does it.
Hey!
Even bigger. That's the wicket. He's got it again. Butler at his best. Fantastic strike over wide, long off. That sounded fantastic. Well, that fielder out there. Another Butler beauty. Another Butler six.
Catch, Tomo!
Might have another one. Oh, it's a fantastic effort. It's a fantastic effort out in front of the Western Terrace. Jordan Thompson, I think, who made good ground. Brave. Goes again. Sounds sweet, is sweet, into the Western Terrace. Butler's on the charge. Slammed down the ground. Slammed all the way for six. And he's away with a thick outside edge that's probably going to go for four, and does. Very well bowled. Exceptional from the young leggy. 50 for Butler from 26 balls. 13 gone, 121 for four.
Clothed it. It won't get over Bess's head. Butler sweeps. Gets it past short. Fine leg. Heaved leg side. It's wide, and this time he does get something on it. Because Will Sutherland starts with a full toss that Butler helps away and helps for four. Should be out. Yeah, well taken. Beautifully done. Just very still at the point of impact, knew exactly what he was doing. Wonderful strike, low full toss, and black. He's tried it again, but not got it this time. Sutherland, well taken. Goes this time, and it will only be one.
Take him, take him!
The second, it doesn't matter. Go two again.
Hey!
Excellent throw. Recognising that Butler was the key man, the throw came into the keeper's end this time. Will Sutherland out there and brings... He'll get an even bigger ovation on the way off.
Excellent finish then by Yorkshire.
Yes!
into shape, which Bairstow has dealt with, and timed that across the square to perfection. Milan goes over extra cover. My goodness, that's gone for 6. Like that. Oi, there's a bit going on. It's a lively encounter between Yorkshire and Lancashire. Wood has struck a huge blow. Bairstow goes. Oh, lovely shot. There's plenty going on, but this young man, don't worry about that. Swing into the pads, flipped away leg side, back-to-back boundaries. Flipped away leg side, straight to the fielder in the deep. Will Luxton's little cameo, and it was a little cameo with those two forwards, has been ended by the 42, nearly 43-year-old Anderson. Well, that's it with real authority and style. Up in the air, high up in the air. This will take some catching. Might not have the chance. Tries to scoop and it just evades Butler, who I think read it but just couldn't move far enough to intercept. That's the shorter boundary. Down the ground, chipped. Has he got enough of it? No, he hasn't. The captain takes in the end a comfortable catch, a bit difficult, backpedaling down the slope. Yorkshire have lost 3 now. From Steve O'Shaughnessy. Oh, hit direct, he's in trouble. It is direct. Umpire's in the business again, but he's going to call on the third umpire, who is David Milnes.
Wasn't a big shout from Yorkshire, from Lancashire, should say, and looks like he's fine. Although we just have to wait after last night.
Fulfilled their quota of 14 games. Shot. That is high class.
Pulled away quite nicely. On the sweep and gone. Yorkshire with plenty of work to do. And that will help. Well, straight pull down the ground. All arm ball and hit high and over extra cover and go all the way for 4. With some variations, you can't really go wrong. Wow, what a shot that is. Luke Wood in for his 3rd over. Chance gone, down. It was in, then it was out. Oh, classical again from Abdullah Shafique. Oh, was there an edge? Wood thinks so, yeah, given. Yeah, put away, that's a poor delivery. Offside, and an element of luck with that. Pull away square, and we'll get 4. That is a fine shot. Clipped away again, timing. Well, he has done this throughout the course of his innings, Abdullah Shafique. What a shot to bring up his 50.
Pulled high, and this should be out. Yes, Anderson does it. Oh, that's a big moment. That is. Up it goes, high it goes, and into the Western Terrace it goes. Must be close, yes. Green has done the trick, Steve. Should be out, good catch. Hit. High it goes. Luke Wells coming round, and that's well taken. It's not Wells in the end, it's Matty Hurst out there at deep square leg holding his nerve, and Lancashire taking key wickets at the start of the innings.